Today, I'll show you how to create a donut-style text animation in CapCut PC. This effect makes your text spin in a circular motion, giving it a fun and dynamic look, perfect for intros, title screens, or stylish video edits. Let's jump in. First, import a default text layer into your timeline. From the right side editing panel, customize the text style to match your project. You can experiment with different fonts and colors to make it stand out. Next, go to the Animation tab and click on the Loop tab. Here, search for donut and apply it to your text. This effect creates a smooth circular spinning motion, making your text loop continuously. Now, let's fine tune it. Use the speed slider to adjust how fast or slow the text spins. A higher speed makes it animate slower, while a lower speed creates a fast, elegant motion. If you want the animation to last longer, simply drag the text layer on the timeline to extend its duration. And that's it. You've successfully created a donut-style text animation in CapCut PC. Play around with the settings to get the perfect look for your video. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut editing tips.